Hello everyone, how are you doing all? I hope everybody is doing absolutely fine. If you ask about me, I'm on cloud 9 today because yes guys, you guys are really supporting me a lot and you guys are really showering lots of love from your side. So it means a lot guys. And I am Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently and I run YouTube channel, not only YouTube channel but also I take spoken English classes through Zoom application except Sundays. Every single day I take through Zoom online classes. If you are someone who wants to flourish your communication skills, who wants to face the fear regarding public speaking fear, so you can approach me through email id. I have given my email id in the description of my channel. Check out there and just approach me, so I will speak to you guys. Yes, and also if you are someone who started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your one like and one share is really giving me a lot of motivation and boost and confidence, everything guys. And you can see the background. So again today I came to my field. You know guys, whenever I came here, really I feel so much of confident, I feel so much of enthusiastic, and also it uplifts my energy level to do something new every single day. So that's why I come here every single day. At least I spend my time here in order to boost my confidence and also in order to level up my energy every single day, right? Yeah, without wasting our valuable time, without wasting your valuable time and precious time, because time is very precious. So let's jump into the today's video. Yes guys, you have heard right. In today's video, I'm going to address you how did I master this English language by sitting at home itself. Yes, you have heard right. Everything in briefly, I just going to explain you. So just keep listening to till end so that you'll come to know everything. How did I master this English language by sitting at home itself, right? Yes, guys, like you, when I was a beginner, I did not surround myself English atmosphere. Wherever I go, I used to surround myself all the time. My mother tongue is Telugu. So I used to surround myself all the time Telugu people, Telugu speaking people. So I cannot blame them because it was my passion, it was my curiosity to learn this English language. So no matter what, I have to take one step wisely, right? So I went, I met different people, but everybody was not speaking in English with me. So then one fine day, what happened, I made up my mind and I decided that, okay, this is my passion and I just want to speak a fluent English. I just want to become a fluent in this English language. So if somebody is not speaking English with me, it is not their fault. It is not my fault. It is the nature, right? Because nobody speaks in English, because they might not have interested in learning this English language. So I decided and I came to know and I realized, and then I started stepping out wisely. You know what I did, every single day I kept on listening to something in English, I kept on writing something in English, and also I kept on watching something in English. And whenever I was watching, I did a lot of activities like shadowing method and repetition method and also mirror practice. And one thing which really helped me a lot is I did lot of mirroring method at my home. Yes guys, in my house there was a big plain mirror. So every single day I just practiced it for 10 minutes. Really, that 10 minutes of consistency, whatever I have maintained at the beginning of my English level, it totally changed my English speaking style. Because when I was standing in front of mirror and when I wanted to speak something in front of mirror by looking at myself, I used to fumble. I used to get nervous. Butterflies used to run in my stomach. It happened with me. But I did not stop myself. I did not give up. Just I take a step. I took stand for myself and I kept on speaking. And it might be your question. Okay, you are saying that you stood in front of mirror and you were speaking something. So what did you speak? If it is your question, I will be giving answer for that question. Yes, as I mentioned before that, I used to listen lot of English content, right? For example, I used to listen lot of English stories, guys. Yes, you have heard right. I used to listen lot of English stories, not for once, not for twice. Even I used to listen one story simultaneously 10 times. After listening one story, a single story 10 times, I came to know. I understood everything, like the characters were there in the story and the moral of the story and what kind of conversation they were building in the story and what kind of vocabulary they were using in that story, what kind of sentences they were framing in that story. So everything was stored in my brain. So I simply stood in front of mirror and I used to retell the same story to myself. No matter, even if I make mistakes, I did not stop myself. I used to stand and I used to speak the same story. So that one storytelling really helped me a lot to achieve this kind of fluency. So that was the one method I really practiced a lot. You won't, even if you don't believe, but that was true, guys. I'm really telling here that so I practiced a lot mirroring method. And also many of my videos, even I advise you that if you wanna become fluent speaker in English, just try to speak in front of mirror at least for 10 minutes. You know, on the very first day when I stood in front of mirror, I got nervous because words really didn't come to my mind, because because when I was looking at myself in the mirror, so I used to feel shy to speak. Okay, what kind of things I'm going to speak? Okay, what kind of sentences am I going to frame now? Okay, what kind of vocabulary am I going to address now? What kind of vocabulary I'm going to deliver now? So there was a big confusion. And then I decided that, okay, so words are not getting into my mind. So then what is the solution for that? I decided and I again started thinking it in English. And then I came to know that, okay, if I want to remember vocabulary for so long, I have to repeat many a times. Whatever the words I was learning, so I started repeating every single day. For example, today I spent for 1 hour for listening to something in English. Okay, so at the end of the day, from that story or else from that video, whatever the video I kept on watching entire day, so from that video, what exactly the vocabulary I have learned, I used to pen down in a book. And before going to bed, what exactly I used to do, I used to recollect. And also, so there was a wonderful, and you might be asking this question, okay, where have you been learning all these vocabulary and new sentences? Yes, guys, internet is there, Google is there. So whenever I was not knowing any particular meaning of the word, immediately, so no need to read books, no need to rush, no need to carry books along with you wherever you go, but your mobile you carry, right? So I used to do the same thing. I used to carry my mobile, and also I used to start typing on Google whatever the words I didn't know, right? So immediately that Google will used to provide lot of examples and also similar meanings, right? So likewise, for example, today I have I just want to find out the meaning of particular word like brave. So if I type it on ChatGPT or else Google, so it will provide some synonyms, right? And also I started using that synonyms also in sentences. So that is how I started building my vocabulary power. So it might be your question that we are the person, we don't have any habit of reading books. So far we have not read any books, and also we really don't have interest in reading books. How can we develop vocabulary power? If it is your question, just I have given answer for that question. Just start typing whatever the words you don't know, just start typing on chat bar, right? Like ChatGPT or else like Google or else some internet, right? So it will provide lot of examples with clear meaning. So from there you can learn, guys. So it is not the thing which you are thinking, right? So you should not complain. And one thing I did a great thing in my life is I did not have a fear. I did not have a stage fright. Whenever I was getting any opportunities, so even though I know that I cannot perform well on the stage, but I used to take that one step wisely, and I used to go onto the stage and I used to perform every single activity regarding English. Like I used to compete in essay writings, and I used to compete in debate, and also I used to compete in elocution, and also I used to compete in speech delivering, and everywhere I used to give my best, because I don't know at that moment, okay, whatever the steps I'm taking at that moment, I did know that, okay, whatever the steps I'm taking today, so it might be help in the future for me. I didn't know, guys, but I started taking those steps wisely, and whatever the steps I have taken in my childhood, every step really helped me everywhere, wherever I go, in my college level or else in my school level. So it really helped me. So one thing I'm just telling you here that, so no matter you have to grab opportunities. Opportunities are rare, so once if you miss out the opportunities, you may not get the same opportunity again and again, right? So that is why I'm addressing you that. So and this is how I started developing my English, and I started mastering this English language. It was not for a single day, it was not for a month, it was not for a 2 months or 1 year. So the day when I decided to learn in English, from that day itself even till today, so I learned something new each and every single day. And also I consider myself as a learner. I never think that okay Banu, you know everything, so you should stop learning here itself. So once if I decide like that, so I may stop, my journey stops and everything stops, right? So always consider yourself as a learner, and always take steps wisely, and don't miss out any opportunity. Once if you miss out the opportunity, you may not get the same opportunity, right? So this is how I mastered my English communication skills without having any proper guidance, without having any proper environment at my hometown, because my parents are not educated, my parents don't know how to teach this English language. So I have learned by watching YouTube videos itself, right? So I will make a very soon one more video with what kind of YouTube channels I have watched, so that it is really going to help you somehow, right? Yeah, this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for supporting, and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you very soon with one more beautiful content, and I'll bring the best content for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting and keep encouraging and keep boosting your confidence, keep encouraging yourself. Thank you so much. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Love you all.